Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Tribit FlyBuds 3. So to perform the reset, first of all you have to remember to charge your earbuds and the case for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port, and then you have to input the right and the left earbud inside in this charging case. And next we have to find this button and we have to click and hold it until this indicator blinks 4 times white. And let's do this. Let's click and hold this button and take a look for these indicators. There's also our smartphone connection that will actually disappear after this reset process. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, and right now release. Next, just simply remove them from this previously connected devices. Right now, just close the case on your phone, of your earbuds for a few seconds, open it, and right now let's try if they move to the pairing mode automatically, if the reset is complete. Yeah, we can find them on the list. So right now let's try to pair them, and as you can see we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.